Today we're going to go to Shenzhen and visit the Dafeng Oil Painting Village and Red Cube Museum.
So, ngayong araw na to, pupunta kami sa Shenzhen. Bali, first time namin makakapunta for many years living in Hong Kong. Hindi pa kami nakakarating kahit sa part ng China. Ngayon pa lang, first time.
So finally, we made the schedule to visit Shenzhen. And para sa first time namin sa Shenzhen, we'll take the
So may nagtanong sa aming matanda. Tinatanong kung Lokmacha or Lowo. Kasi nandito kami sa Songshui Station ngayon. So ito yung train. Bali sa Lowo kami mag-entry going to China.
Kapag nasa Songshui, may dalawang destination para sa final end itong line, which is Lokmacha and Lowo. So we will take the Lowo station going to Shenzhen.
And also this line is called Israel. Lowo, Lokmacha, all the way to Admiralty. So I think kung nakarating na kayo dito sa Hong Kong, familiar sa inyo yung station na to. Mongkok East, Mongkok East, Oham, and also Exhibition Center, tsaka Admiralty yung dulo. And doon kami sa Lowo ngayon pupunta at doon kami mag-entry. So we don't know yet what to expect in Shenzhen. Pupunta kami ngayon. Let's see. Train now going to Lowo is arriving. So here, kita nyo. There you go. Ito itong car nito is first class. Kasi we have a privilege to go here with my company. So, yung ibang class yung nasa likod tsaka yung nasa harapan, yun yung normal. So, mas madaming tao doon.
Please hold the handrail.
So, ito na kami. Papunta na kami ng Shenzhen. So, nakita nyo this exit and then there's an arrow going to Shenzhen. See?
Don't you have it?
Aywan no? So kasama namin ulit sila dahil today is Saturday, wala silang klase kaya pwede kaming gumala na kasama sila.
Wala silang activity for today. So we're glad na nakasama namin si Chad and Ivan. So yun ang tinanong sila kung anong gusto nilang puntahan, and the request is the Red Cube Science and Technology Park, saka yung Oil Painting Village sa Dafeng. So kasi may experience din sila sa ceramics and sa drawing, mahilig sila sa art din. So we go there. See, look at the toilet. Look at the girls.
So ay, ang daming tao. Nakalabas na kami sa immigration ng Hong Kong and also ng China. So tapos na, okay na yung ID namin, we registered na. So nandito na kami sa Shenzhen. So first time in Shenzhen, and then hindi pa namin alam yung mga lugar dito, yung mga building, hindi pa namin kabisado kung ano yung mga pangalan. At itong sa back namin, back ko ngayon, I don't know kung ano siya.
Sa commercial city, commercial center.
No, it's Lowo Commercial City. So, marami ring mga travel agency sa gilid. So ito siguro yung pwede ka mag-book and then you go to other parts of China. Hopefully one day we will do that. So we will go to different parts of China. Oh, so itong back namin, itong building sa likod namin, itong blue is Lohu Commercial City. So ang hinahanap namin ngayon is yung train, yung metro train nila or saan ang daan. Kasi doon mabilis, kasi mas Hong Kong, marami tayong makikita na way kung ano yung gusto natin puntahan, then malapit sa station, madali natin puntahan. So dito muna kami, 7-Eleven. Right.
Hello. Right now we're trying to get some food. Like it's around 12 o'clock now, and we're going to go somewhere later, like an oil painting place. Yeah.
Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, kaya hanap muna kami kung saan pwede kaming kumain. And I think dito sa Shangri-La Hotel sa Shenzhen merong buffet, subukan namin.
Yung
So,
yung award mo. Yung award mo dati, ganun yung symbol. Ano yung sabihin mo?
Riles.
Ah, yung Riles. I see.
So, medyo nahihirapan kami sa pagbabayad kasi mostly dito hindi na sila gumagamit ng pera, digital na lang. Meron akong Alipay Hong Kong, but hindi ko siya magamit ng ng tuloy-tuloy, gawa ng mayroon pa siyang mga hinihinging or nag-ship siya sa Alipay China, which is hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi ng mga kakilala ko, dito sabi ng kakilala ko, Alipay Hong Kong is enough, but I don't know, I'll try to fix it. Dito. So ito, Shangri-La Hotel. Subukan namin mag-lunch sa loob kasi tingin ko mas masarap yung food doon. But marami ring masarap na pagkain dito, pero yun muna ang itatry namin.
Dito.
Tapos ito babe, maganda.
Hello, nagla-lunch kami dito sa Shangri-La Shenzhen. Bali dim sum tong in-order namin. No, sorry. Dahil dim sum, bali itong lunch namin is dim sum, but buffet style, so you can order whatever food you want. So this is Shalongbang, this is hagaw, and this is also some kind of hagaw maybe.
This is so cute.
So it's really good. It's really good.
Order?
It tastes delicious.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Shangri-La, Shang Palace for eat all you can dim sum. So, yan, mahilig kami sa dim sum. So, ganda ng serving nila dito, and yung price niya is 188 per adult and half the price naman for kids. And our kids are 11 years old, so still considered as half the price. So, ang laki ng difference ng price between Shenzhen and Hong Kong. So, yan, we'll enjoy it. So, Kat, you like it? Very good. This is masyadong bawat.
What is this that you order? That's the egg one.
Oh!
So marami naming nakakain. Sarap ng food. Ito is is, I think this is char siu pao. And then, meron ditong parang noodles. Kapareha siya ng pancit canton sa atin. At meron din siya, I think this is also rice.
Rice roll with pork.
Yeah, rice roll with pork.
Then we have only pasta. Too much custard.
He's drunk, guys.
Drunk with custard. With a hedgehog.
Hello. I'm not recording you.
Oh, let's go. Let's go to toilet. Daddy
Okay.
was able to pay using Alipay. It's just that we need to figure out how
Hello.
to go to Dafen.
Tapos na kami kumain. Yeah.
Hi! So, yan, busog na naman. Na-enjoy naman yung food. Masarap siya. So, yun. Busog na busog sa puro custard sinakambal. They love the custard bun here.
How does job?
Drunk with custard. So, now we go to Dafen. So, originally we have 2 itineraries for today, but we'll just go to Dafen and walk around the oil painting village. So, see you there. Let's go. Look at the girls. Oh,